again with the R9 Customs Vintage Side Pannier. Now sitting here, I've got the Triumph Street Scrambler 900. This is just a generic rack off eBay. So if you've got a rack that's this shape or is more of a rectangular shape, drops down further, our new side pannier is going to fit. Now, how can I guarantee you that this side pannier is going to fit when there are other panniers out there are designed for specific racks? Here is our solution. 3 leather panels that have holes punched in them. So this top leather panel is triple laminated. It's double leather laminated, then has 600D behind it. So this top panel is your carry panel. So this top panel has 3 leather straps on it, is riveted, is double stitched. This is where all the weight is carried on the bag. These bottom 2 panels are locating panels. Now, as you can see, you can run straps vertically, horizontally, in up to 13 different configurations. So when I say no matter what your rack looks like, the fact that there's 13 configurations there allows you to be able to successfully guarantee that this is going to fit. And we're going to be selling extra straps, so if you're the super cautious type and want to run heaps of straps, you're able to do that. Now, what else have we got with the bag? This time around, we're using the same 22-ounce canvases we use on our duffel bags, but this particular canvas is a waxed canvas. This is 100% water resistant. I'll throw a little clip in at the end to give you a demonstration on what happens with that. Now, it's got the same roll top design as our sissy bar duffel bag. On the front here, we've got a separate pocket on the front with a leather flap, so you can go and stick your phone or your wallet in that. We've redesigned the sides. These are the same pockets that are on our sissy bar duffel bag. And what we've done is we've given you a top flap, and you've got 2 choices here, top or bottom. Now that allows you, depending on the size of the bottle that you've got in there, to be able to go and fit it in nicely. It's got the same drain plug at the bottom that we have in the sissy bar duffel bag. Now, we've got our hooks on the sides here. So you've got your carry strap. So when you get to camp, unhook, throw your shoulder strap on, carry it on your shoulder, or you've got your carry strap on the back here so you can carry it beside you. Now, all our leather straps, just like they are on the sissy bar duffel bag, they're double laminated and stitched. All nylon stitching, all nice brass rivets. We've got the same V-buckles. Now, where we've carried the style along even further is inside you've got all your press studs to keep it closed, and then you've got the same tartan rubber back lining in there. So you just clip the sides together, nice and easy there. Clip those 2 together and then roll it down. So you can have it more full or you can roll it down really tight. It all depends on what you're carrying. So what we're doing with these, we're going to have them in the same military green, same desert tan that we have on the sissy bar duffel bag. So if you've seen them, or if you've got any friends with choppers that have got those, yeah, I know, modern classic guys don't ride with guys with choppers, so you might not have seen them. But anyway, it's got all the same components. Now, the other big thing, and this is one of the reasons these bags aren't cheap, we don't skimp on quality. All the leather we use is genuine leather. We're not going to go and use some garbage that you guys will complain in 6 months that they're falling apart. All the leather on this is genuine, 100%. you've got a solid leather base, and then you've got the solid skirt that runs around the bottom. So, you know, as you're riding, you're getting rocks and sticks and all that sort of crap. That's going to protect the bottom of your bag. So, jump onto the r9customs.com website and check these out. Now, one of the things with this is sold as a side pannier, but if you've got a Harley and you've got a V-shape short sissy bar, with the combination here, you could be essentially running a horizontal strap here, 2 horizontals here and another 2 horizontals down there. And you could be using this on a short OEM sissy bar on the back of your Harley. So if our Rolltop sissy bar duffel bags aren't the style that you're looking for your sissy bar and your chopper or your bobber, consider one of these. Capacity's the same, waterproof, obviously not as tall, but it's going to suit a short sissy bar. So, you know, that's where it's going to sit on the Triumph, and run one either side. So they're sold on the website individually, so if you've got a Scrambler, obviously you only want one because we've got the exhaust on this side. If you've got a Bonneville, etc., get 2. We've made the mounting on the back nice and low on the bag, so if you are running like a T100, T120, you've got a good 2.5, 3 inches gap before the exhaust, so you've got a nice bit of room for air to flow under there. Now if you're running Royal Enfield, say an Interceptor, their exhaust pipe goes up at an angle. You might need to go and look at running it further forward on the rack, or alternatively, if you're going to do an aftermarket exhaust, make it a horizontal exhaust and get rid of that 15-degree angle, and that way you're going to be guaranteed you're going to clear the pannier. But anyway, jump on, check them out, and yeah, stay upright. Waxed canvas, 22 ounce.